Hi children, today we are discussing about in EVS part, learn mapping and know the directions. Learn mapping and know the direction. Children, what is the mapping? You know map, children. You are already seeing in the social lessons. So the teacher will choose the Karnataka map and also India map. But in this lesson, we are discussing about the mapping. Mapping means to locate the places. To locate the places, and we have 4 directions in the mapping. You know that one, first direction, that is north and south. Next, west and east. N represents north, N-O-R-T-H, north. S represents south, S-O-U-T-H, south. E-A-S-T, east. W-E-S-T, west. Children, how to locate the directions? So when the sun rises, sun rises in the east direction and sun sets in the west direction. So in that we recognize that the direction of east and west. Sun rises in east direction and sun sets at west direction. And usually we are the Karnataka is located at south. We are South Indians. Our Indian map like this. So North Indians. So this down we are recognized in the south. Karnataka is located at south direction. Okay. We know that the mapping, something about we have to learn about the mapping. For example, so our location we have to learn the mapping to locate the directions. Okay. So for example, our school, it may be located at east and west to the center of the bus stand, whatever it may be. Okay. So here is a banyan tree. This banyan tree. Okay. This big banyan tree in the middle of this city, or it may be in the village. Here I will represent 4 places. So we have to recognize or locate the directions. This hospital is located at which direction, children? North direction. North direction. Our school is located at south direction. When compared to this banyan tree, this hospital is located at north direction. This school is represented at south direction. Whereas this park is represented at which direction? See? East. East direction. This pond is represented at west direction. West direction. So in the column 110 page number, write the directions of the given places with reference to the banyan tree. You have to write the directions. They are already given in your textbook. Mention the directions in the fillings. Okay. And also here is a picture. Your house. You have to represent the direction of the directions. Okay. Directions in these columns. Okay. Your house is located at east, west, or whatever it may be, you have to write it. Children, these directions are the main directions. Okay. Where east, west, north, south are the 4 directions, or the 4 main directions. And also we have 4 sub directions. Northeast, northeast, east, south, and also west, south, northwest. Okay. These are the sub directions. Observe the Karnataka map. Karnataka map. Write the direction of the places given in the reference. Children, you have to represent the or locate the some direction in Karnataka map. Andhra Pradesh, Kerala, Maharashtra, like that. So our Karnataka is located at the south, and also this Kerala, Andhra Pradesh also located at the south direction in India map. Here is a student, Yasmin of 4th standard, has learned to draw a simple map of her classroom. So in classroom, you have to write the simple drawing. Okay, drawing you have to write. So here we have to calculate by length and breadth. For example, this classroom is represented, or it is in the shape of rectangle. So the area, the perimeter, we have to calculate by using the formula length into breadth. So usually the perimeter is of the rectangle is calculated by the formula length into breadth. So it may be calculated by your footstep or it may be by meter or meter scale. So like that we have to measure the classroom and write in length in the length column and breadth in the breadth column. Okay children? So like that we have to write the drawing of the classroom and calculate the length and breadth of the classroom. Okay, so sketch the classroom. So now you have windows, door. So in the room you have a rectangle shaped room or it may be a square shaped room. So like that you have to write the perimeter. It may be a square. Your classroom is a square shape. Okay, so for that you have to calculate the perimeter using the formula 4L. L into 4 into L. 4 sides. In a square, all the sides are equal. So in the square, 4 sides are equal. So 4 into L. L means what? Length. So now we have to calculate the perimeter of a square using the formula 4 into L. And now, for example, the length of the door. So after the mapping, learning about the mapping, we have to learn about how to measure the length and breadth of the door, or it may be window and other wardrobes, chair. Okay. So for that we use the meter tape, or it may be meter rod. Then we have to measure the door, measure the windows, and calculate the length and breadth of a rectangle shape. It may be usually the doors are in rectangular shape. So that's why we use the formula L into B, length into breadth. Whether the table, it may be a square shape, we have to find out by using the formula 4 into L. L means length. Okay, like that we have to calculate the squares of the map in the things. It may be chair, or it may be a pillow, or it may be this window, whatever it may be. Okay. Let us discuss about the another location of the map. How to locate the another location. For example, in the center of the main road, there is a Gandhi circle. In the center, there is a Gandhi circle. Okay, children, the main road, there is a Gandhi circle. If you go towards its west, of the side, you have a hotel. So in the east direction you have a hotel on the right side. Next to that hotel, then the post office, and then next to the school is office, that is the taluk office. So they are given a sketch here from the page number 114. You have to locate the direction. Children, how to locate the direction? So usually how to measure the direction, things. Okay, so first we measure the things by the units. That is a standard unit that is called as system of international units. Usually for example, for this classroom we measure by our footstep. You know footstep, ಕಾಲಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಪಕ್ಕ ಒಂದು ಕಾಲು ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮೆಜರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಲ್ವಾ, ಆ ತರ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. Otherwise we can measure by using our hand span like this. From the thumb to this middle finger, we can measure the length of the things. Okay, or it may be the classroom, or it may be the door. Like this, we can measure by using our hand span. Hand span starting from this tip of this thumb to this little finger tip. Okay, children. And usually the standard measurement is used by the centimeter. First, millimeter, your children. Millimeter is represented in your scale, that is 15 centimeter scale. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. You have 10 lines in between the 0 to 1 centimeter, that is called as 10 millimeter. Okay, and then usually the centimeter are used in the small area to measurement. So chick area for example ಈ book measure ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಸ್ಕೇಲ್ ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ in terms of centimeter ಅಲ್ಲಿ measure ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. For example, for this board, we cannot use the centimeter. For that, we use the unit called as meter. What is this? Meter. Meter is used to measure the things or the vast area. Vast area ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ area ನ measure ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾವ unit use ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? Meter ನ use ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. For the small area, you can use the centimeter as a unit. Okay, children? Centimeter and meter. Okay. Then, usually, which measurement is used on the map to sketch a vast area? Answer is meter is used to measure the vast area on the map. Children, how to locate the things? Usually, the maps for the location we have a symbols. Okay. Now we have learned some symbols of the location. How to recognize the location? So for that, we have some symbols. First one is house. House, temple, post office, well, tree, school, here is a flat, school. So like that we have symbols to locate the maps. For example, if you are going to village, so you see a numerous various symbols like this: post office, railway track, children, railway track, mosque, church, school, post office, other things. You can recognize taluk office, hospital. Children, like that we can see a number of this type of symbols when you are traveling on the train or bus, whatever it may be. And also that symbols that helps to recognize the location. Okay, it may be a mosque or it may be a church or a hospital. In this lesson, we learn about the symbols and directions. We have 4 main directions. What are the main directions? East, west, north, south. Okay, children. So we have more 4 sub-direction also there. So and then in this lesson we learn that the symbols, the main symbols. The sub-directions are northeast, northwest, southwest and southeast. Here are some points. All the maps have centimeters or inches as the units of measurement. World map is the map of the world. World map is the map of the world. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾಪ್ ನೋಡಿದಿರಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾಪ್ ಏನು ಫುಲ್ ಅರ್ತ್ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಮ್ಯಾಪ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ. One can easily understand the physical features, land routes and populated area with the help of the map. With the help of map, we can identify the physical features and land routes easily with the help of map only. Longitudes and latitudes, the imaginary lines helps to form the grid on the map. There are different types of maps. For example, physical map, soil map, weather map, train route map, etc. So in the railway station, so we observe the train route, and also we have in the bus stand, we observe the bus route map also is there. Weather map also there. It is believed that in the ancient time, Egyptians kings used to draw maps to know the regions of their rule. Regions of their rule, and the Greeks draw the map of Earth in 540 BC. The Greek, they will draw the map. They will draw the map in the 540 BC. ನೋಡಿ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಅವರು ಅರ್ಥ ಮ್ಯಾಪ್ ನ ಬರೆದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Okay, here are some points. Hard words is there. That is mapping, MAPPING mapping, village, village. POST, post. OFFIC, office, post office. HOSPITAL, hospital. BREADTH, bread. LEMGTH, lamp. EARTH, her. EGYPTIAN, Egyptian. LONGITUD, longitude. LATITUDS, latitudes. So here are some symbols: house, temple, post office, well, tree, school, etc. Children, I will give one activity for you while you are traveling by a bus. Okay, so you have to list some landmarks you can see while traveling by a bus. Okay, children. So for example, it may be a bus, river, trees, forest, hospital. Like that, you have to locate the landmarks and draw the picture of the landmarks. Okay, locate the symbols. You have to write the symbols on the map while you are traveling in a bus. Okay, so that you have to write in your homework, or it may be used a A4 sheet and do this activity. Okay, children. Thank you.